Hey guys, I would hope it's just common sense that if you're ever testing a 52-inch Blenderfan and a 36-inch Blenderfan at the same time, you put the 36-inch blades on the 52-inch motor. So that's what we got here. Started out with the decade cap. Here's 2. Here's 3. 0.15. They did make this fan, but what I don't know is did they make this, was the motor smaller? Or did they use the same size motor as with the 52-inch? Four, 0.21. Still very windy outside. Five, 0.27. Who did you say is getting tornadoes, Andy?
Well, this past week they had some in Texas, Kansas, Nebraska, Colorado, South Dakota. I think there was one in Iowa yesterday too.
So these winds are just like leftovers from Iowa. They passed our way.
Well, not really.
7.38. 8. 9. 10. 15.68. 20.79. 5.86. Oh, and high now with these blades, it only draws 0.84. Ah, my battery is dying. That's what that sound means. And he's blocking all the wind. I don't know, you can definitely feel some air moving back here. It's a slightly weaker but steadier breeze than the 52-inch blades. So if my battery dies, the video will stop. But let's see if we can make it through the solid state control. After this, if you have time, do you want to do the other ornate original?
Sure.
I will need to plug my phone up for a little bit.
All right.
Point 1-2. Let me know when I can start spinning down.
holy breeze.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay, we're spinning down now. Over here. Actually, Meriter Hospital used to have this exact version, or whatever the factory version of this would have been, in a, I don't know what room it was in, I was too young to understand, but it was some room where you would stand in line and then wait in front of a counter, so maybe like a billing office or something like that. And they had an airmaster behind the counter. Oh, low battery, it stopped. Yours is still going now.
We are still going until the fan stops now. So,
You had the lost footage.
thanks for watching.